Just put your trust in my heart and meet me in paradise. Just put your trust in my heart.
I surrender. Oh, yeah. All to thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender. I'm in awe. Oh my God. You gon' make me. You're the bomb. And I just be setting the stage. So let me get out the way. Cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes. And I just be stuck in the days. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing. Then you question me for why I'm even questioning. Cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it. And I can't commit my own name, cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game. They're trying to sell tickets and if ain't nobody and your heart is in the wrong place. Who's your parents, huh? Say all to Jesus. I surrender all. To thee I freely give.
Oh baby, this is what I do. I just sing all day, or do my work or something. Should I do a middle edge or not? Yeah or no? Big forehead or not? Forehead or no forehead? I think I'm gonna go forehead. Or should I? All right, now I'm about to do my makeup and put on some lotion and everything,
Nene, you ready to go home?
No. Yeah. I really like this look today. I like that. I like that kind of thing. What time? How much time I got? What time is it? I gotta hurry up. All right. Fast forward. So, okay, makeup. Get ready with me in Bali to go ATV riding. All right, we're just blending this in. Yes, it looks so good. I might not cover all my blemishes, but I mean, I have blemishes, so they're not gonna go away. So I might as well just show them anyways. Facetune is my best friend. So now we are going to go in with this Make Beauty Concealer and go right under our eyes, like so. A little bit right here, a little bit right here, a little bit right here, a little bit right here. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this. This is Statue Beauty from the TikTok shop. Make sure y'all look at my showcase because everything's in my showcase. Put a little bit of that, a little bit of that. We're just hitting our face. Beat that face.
Happy birthday, how you doing?
Good, thank you.
Yeah, you feel younger today?
No. Look at my body. Look at my body. Look at my body. Look at my body. Look at my daddy. 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 What's that song called? Is that Daddy Yankee?
Just a go fi do the job, I want me done get the f*** out here. Me live my young life without no fear. And if me go away, tell my fans them no cry, no tear. My legacy will never die, I swear. Never ball already, I'm a day and I'm a prime, I swear. Come like my band before my time, I swear. Them say them happy for me, but me know them they want.
They probably do so the size of
What's up? We just got back from ATV riding. I'm so dirty. to you, Lord, with all my heart. I will tell of all your wonderful deeds. Psalm 9, verse 1. Well, it's outside my room. It looks like it's gonna rain. Random. We are hard pressed on every side, but not crushed. Perplexed, but not in despair. 2 Corinthians chapter 4, verse 8. Never crushed. We are hard pressed. Never crushed though. On every side. This is a verse that's been in my head like this whole time I've been here, because you never know what's around you. You never know what they're doing. They could be doing rituals. They could be doing all type of stuff. You don't know what's going on. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Psalm 23, verse 4. That has been literally in my head since I've landed. Like, badly. I just did the massage, and honestly, it's a 2-hour full body massage. I'm gonna come back. Good morning. It is currently 5:53, and today we're gonna be doing silver making. The zoo, the coffee plantation. I have to be outside by 8:30. You need to be like, every day. So provider. It's no point in looking for that kind of love anymore though. I'm Brazilian. I'm telling y'all, if it wasn't for Jesus, I would probably be angry every single day. Like, when I wasn't praying, when I was younger and stuff, well, it depends, because there was a lot of times where I was like super happy and super smiling, like every day. You just see my teeth every day. But there was definitely a time where if you even look at me the wrong way, I'm like, what are you looking at? Like, just have the worst attitude. I'm telling y'all, without Jesus, a lot of y'all would not be spared. So we all just need to thank him for real. Oh, last night is a perfect example. I promise you last night is a perfect example. Oh, I don't even want to get into it because I'm going to feed into that. But I'm really grateful because I think it's also saved me from a lot of unnecessary drama. And it's okay to think that you're, that girl or whatever. But it's better to just be humble and just live like that. And I guess I got in line. He was like, what number are you? And I was like, I said something to him, and it was not cute, okay? Sometimes I have to tell other people to be quiet and don't say nothing, which is crazy. I don't want to say hot Cheeto girl, and then it wasn't a nice girl. A lot of people will take that for granted, and you will have to just regardless of how they did you, regardless of how they playing with you, regardless of any of that, let them do them. I may not love you, but Jesus does, so okay, it is what it is. And then trying to find good friends, the right friends, is another thing. Because I'm very quiet. In the first week of meeting me, I'm gonna be super quiet. I remember, this isn't like a sneak diss toward anybody. I remember I was on this trip and it was just a bunch of girls, right? Actually, this has happened more than once. This has happened on 2 trips that I've been on. And these are study abroad trips. I was on these trips and I was super quiet, and I'm just getting to know everybody. Everybody like, why are you so quiet? Just come, let's play, let's do this, let's do that. And I'm agreeing to some of them, but some of them I'm like, nah, because everybody's nice in the beginning. Everybody's gonna be nice in the beginning. So, a couple days go by, still not doing nothing, everybody's still nice. And then eventually, you start hearing some murmuring, start hearing some stuff going on. This girl said this girl did that. Or and you're just there what are you talking about? It gets to a point eventually by the end of that week, everybody arguing. So you're just glad that you stayed away from that. Really feed into it, because you would have probably been back in your old ways, arguing, trying to, whatever. It's hard to just talk to people in general. Because even when I do decide, like, okay, this person's cool, having to go out there and start conversations and stuff, that's a whole other thing. Because they probably have their own judgments on you. Because I know I'm not perfect. I know I'm a little weird. I'm here talking to myself on camera. A lot of people might have their own judgments on me, which is fine. I do want more female friends. I don't think I would accept any male friends. That's just a personal thing, you know. I think that the guys are for the guys and the girls are for the girls. I kind of also want to move. SZA, when are you going to go to the party's over? I don't know why that just came in my head. Shout out TikTok. Every time I go on vacation, I do my edges like this. And every time I'm at home, I think it looks so bad. I don't know if it's the mirrors, like I look different. Whoa, when we are together. Get ready with me, day 3. I wish I didn't have no acne for real. Let me wash my hands. There's a worm in my bathroom.
The worm come to save me yesterday from a big crocodile lizard.
Lizards are okay. I like lizards. I don't like bugs. I don't like worms. They don't got no legs. I don't know. I like lizards though. That means less bugs. Okay, I'm done. I'm so glad that I forgot what I was gonna say. He's here already. It's not 8:30 yet. The one time I'm actually on time, he is already here. Still didn't shave my legs or shave my armpits. Probably wear these Gucci sandals. But do I really want to wear these to walk on? I'm trying to keep them on tight.
There's one missing bars of Sean give me.
Talking about this or this?
I buckle up on the bike with one look on it.
And they took a lot of breaks.
Yes.
Like, I fell asleep, but I know they
I never sleep.
They just got my look at that.
Is that?
No, it's a spider.
Why not different
You afraid of lizard? It's huge. Y'all can see weird.
I'm gonna love you till it feels.
We're here at the silver making class.
And Kalimantan in Bali, pure silver. Pure silver, not good for jewelry because it's soft.
Surpassing what I understand. Fill me till I overflow. Keep me when I wanna go.
Saffron with curcuma with turmeric, good for immune system.
That's the real ginger. Yep. What is this?
It says don't touch.
No, remember the video I tell you the animal carry disease.
When you might thinking troubled waters of the mind, I need you to walk beside. I'm gonna love you till it stays. Steal me to a quiet place. Be my only hideaway. Lord, I'm needing your embrace. I need your
You remember the video of the lady?
I wanna love like you. So I'll love you till it kills.
Also,
This can't be my forever. No, this can't be my forever. No.
We are currently doing the animal encounter at the zoo. Just took some pictures with a monkey, the orangutan, and the, what do you call it? What else? And a bird. And they also have a snake, but I'm not taking a picture with the snake. So.
I know they don't see what I see. Prayed on my knees for my peace. Wanna see family feel at ease. Oh, and I know that there's more than this. Yeah. And
Please come together, guys. How many did you get?
2,
2, 3,
4,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And last one, monkey will hiding in somewhere. Now what is it? How we move our animal is very simple.
I pray for a new song, new day, new life, new season. Pray for the hope gone, restore, find life, new reasons. Pray for the soul lost, find out, find strength, find freedom. Pray, yeah.
But please do not throw your sunglasses, because if Gopal wear it and will be the most handsome orangutan in the world. Don't do that. And you know, guys.
Can't be my forever. No. Yeah. Sometimes I don't even have the words, so I just sit and pray. Every season has its season. Maybe that's enough to wait. Every little thing around me, I know it'll fade till I have it. I'm feeling now. I know there's more to
Don't give your hand.
If you take me, I'll go even to the unknown. And I'll be right here, and I'll meet you there. You won't leave me alone, even in the unknown. And I'll be right here, and I'll meet you there. I've been through the storm, seen a lot of love, I've seen a lot.
We are back from the zoo. We did so much today. I don't even recollect everything we did now. But I seen tigers, I seen bears, lions, tigers, and bears. I'm not scared of lions and we should read a Bible verse. I need to hop in the shower. Really bad. And if I say I really need to hop in the shower, trust me, I really need to hop in the shower. I think I read that one. Weeping may stay for the night, but rejoicing comes in the morning. That verse has been in my head this week at least one time. I remember thinking about that verse. Rejoicing comes in the morning. Oh, I forgot. Psalm 30 verse 5. I'm so tired. I don't even want to do nothing at all tomorrow, honestly. I just want to lay down, chill. I did not realize. Bruh, I'm so tired. I forgot I was recording. Oh my god. My outfit for today.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death.
I don't think I've seen bats. Actually, I have. They got bats in here.
God told me I'm someone. 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 Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again.
I give my heart again, Jesus.
Oh.
I wanna go to Cali way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are.
No eye contact. No.
God, just tell me what you mean for me.
No touching.
Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm
Animal can do that. Human beings.
told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God.
Oh, this is the viral this time.
Hey, what's up? So I just got back from the monkey forest. So yeah, I only have 2 hours to get dressed and I have to leave at 3. It's an hour 30 minutes. Less than an hour 30 minutes. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Alright, bye. For real. Bye. Get ready with me in Bali. I never used to listen to Broadway, or like I never used to listen to American artists like that. I understand how people start to listen to, you know, Young Boy and stuff like that, because there was a time where I'm not listening to Young Boy, I'm not listening to Broadway, but here I am listening to Broadway. It just be like that sometimes. Never say never. You could be in that same exact position. Never be like, oh, that couldn't be me. It could be. It very much could be. And when it happened to you, you're gonna be like, me? Yeah, you. And it's years. I've learned a lot. I learned more observing myself than observing other people. Even though you're learning about yourself, you're unknowingly learning about everybody around you as you're learning about yourself. And also focusing on your relationship with God, with Jesus. A lot of times I'll do things my way and I'm like, why is this happening? Because I did it. Because I let myself do it and not him. Why is this being delayed? Bro, I'm slipping again. And I'm realizing everything's getting delayed again. Certain things are working out again. And I'm thinking like, why? Me, I decided to do something in my own way. Because honestly, a lot of times I'll be disappointed in things that happen in my life and I'll direct it at God and then realize, no, it's my fault. He only has good plans. Only good things come from the Lord. He's gonna give you another chance. Obviously, he loves you. Sometimes the test could just be silence. Sometimes the test could just be leaving you alone and letting you decide to do what you want to do. I don't know. I can't understand. I can't comprehend it. I'll never comprehend it as fully as the way he wants us to do. We're gonna do some contour. We're gonna go light for the makeup, and then we're gonna use our brush and put it on. Okay, we're gonna go like this. We're gonna dab our brush in here like this. We got 30 minutes and I'm over here playing around talking about going like this. We're gonna go like that again. Oh, I used the wrong one, bro. Then we're gonna go like this. Right it on the cheek. Dab it on our cheeks. I'm gonna go to our jaw. Define that jaw, girl. Then we're gonna go to our nose. Nose is not something that I usually use. But because it's my birthday, I'm gonna use my nose. I'm gonna put foundation on my nose. Yeah, it's like for special occasions I use my nose. I put foundation on my nose. for special occasions. I don't know why I don't like makeup on my nose. It's just not my thing. It's not my thing. So now we're gonna go for our cheeks and blend on our cheeks. Blend out our cheeks. We have to wrap it all very, very fast. This is not a Spanish accent, by the way. This is just, I don't know how to speak Spanish. Como se dice? Don't speak Spanish. Now we're gonna blend out our jaw. After we blend out our jaw, then we're gonna put on some concealer. Fill all our dark under eye. Make your under eye bright. And then no. Now we're gonna put on some blush. We got some blush. This is by Satchel Beauty from TikTok. Shout out TikTok for giving me all the free stuff. Thank you, TikTok. Just a little bit now. We don't want to be out here looking like Big Bird. No, not Big Bird. We don't want to be out here looking like Clifford the Big Red Dog. So we're gonna put a little. And if you even put a lot, guess what? You can fix it. I can fix it for you. If you can't fix it, I'll fix it for you, okay? I tell you how to fix it, girl. Then you're gonna go like this, right? You can put your face like this if you know, if you're feeling a little bougie. Put your face like this. Yeah, girl. It's not enough lighting in here, honestly. But we wanna go for like, I don't know if I'm gonna take pictures. But we gotta make sure that if you do take pictures that the makeup is gonna show. You want your makeup to show in the pictures. You worried about people, you wanna make sure, you wanna be Instagram famous, you wanna be TikTok famous, make sure the makeup show up in the picture, okay? Don't worry about the people. The people don't make no money. The people not influencer. Make sure your makeup look good for the camera. Okay, girl. It's better to put lip liner on with nothing on your lips, but my lips is super dry and I don't like the way that it feels. So I'm gonna put on this lip gloss from Victoria's Secret Cream. Oh girl, I'm running out of time. I should be doing my hair. I do the rest of stylist and I come back, okay? But it's concealer after this, and then lip, and then hair, okay? I come back and show you hair, okay? I come back. Bye. It's time to do my hair. I really want to leave my hair like this and I'll do it super cute, but I can't. We really have to hurry up, okay? I'll do my hair. I don't know how I'm gonna edit this video. I got so much videos, but we only have 2 days left. And I don't record the excursion like that. It's hard for me to enjoy what I'm doing when I'm being recorded or I'm recording. Alright, I still did not shave my armpits. I'm so sorry you guys have to see this. Is that cute or not? Yeah, let's get to stand up. Baby, alright. I need to be more serious. I feel like I'm very unserious about everything. I'm either super unserious or very serious. No in between. It's actually really cute. Actually, it's cute. Yeah, right? That's all. Girl, look at my hair. What are you talking about? I did that. Yeah, I did my own hair. Stick it in. When I was younger, I used to want to be a dancehall artist. I wanted to be a dancehall artist so bad. And I wanted to go in that booth. And I wanted to make some reggae, dancehall, love songs. Not like explicit. I mean, like, you know, I think the artists nowadays are just so raunchy. And I want to hear Jamaican music that's just like a vibe. Like, I don't want to be all, you know, it doesn't always have to be hot and ready all the time. I really like Lala Ike, I say Lala Ike, but I think it's Lala Ike. I really love her music. Chef's kiss. That's how I want to make songs. I want to make songs that are just clean, has some decorum, you know? Like Shansia, I really enjoy it since she is, you know, kind of baddie area. Well, I think it's more of a baddie area. Like, yeah, that's me, like I'm middle trick or treat, do my little Germany, you know, cheap walking up brand new Louis V, I'm big, you know, stuff like that. Stuff that makes you feel good. Like, limited edition body, I tell your papa. Wait, how do you say it? I love Shansia during that time. I haven't listened to too much of her lately. I haven't listened to a lot of dance songs lately, honestly. You know, not everybody wants to listen to Boom Boom and, you know. I used to wear my hair like this to school all the time. I don't know why, I just remembered that. Oh my goodness. Oh, driver's here 10 minutes ago. Oh, my bad. Alright, I'm gonna come out. Okay guys, so we are at the restaurant. This hotel is super, super nice. If you come to Bali, just come to a hotel. For real. This is the what What's your name? Gabriella? Gabriella. G-A-B-R-I-E-L-L-A. Or Gabby. Gabby. G-A-B-B. G-A-B-B-Y. Your birthday is coming. Thank you. That one is a black orange smell with lemon vanilla. Thank you. I seen these bowls in a TikTok somewhere. Somebody spilled the bowl. I just got back from the restaurant. I'm overly tired. So the food was, I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of nasty. I mostly wanted to go because of the aquarium. You could really skip it, honestly. Just finding you a nice restaurant. I like my villa, but I think if you come to Bali, you should get a hotel. But at the same time, now that I'm back in my villa, I kind of like the seclusion, the privacy. I kind of like it. I'm torn. But when I was there, I was like, I really like the hotel. I should have got a hotel. They're really good. I'm not even washing my face tonight. I'm not doing none of that. I'm not doing none of that. Sorry. I ain't doing none of that. I'm tired. I'm going to my bed. Today, was it today? Was it today? I think it was today. But I hit myself in the face with my camera today. And it hurt so bad. I will take joy in the God of my salvation. Habakkuk 3:18. Cast all your anxiety on him because he cares for you. 1 Peter 5:7. The righteous cry out and the Lord hears them. He delivers them from all their troubles. Psalm 34:17. The Lord is strong and mighty. The Lord is mighty in battle. Psalm 24:8. Rejoice always. Pray continually. Give thanks in all circumstances. 1 Thessalonians 5:16 through 18. Enter his gates with thanksgiving and his courts with praise. Give thanks to him and praise his name. Oh, give thanks to the Lord, for he is good, for his steadfast love endures forever. Fools give full vent to their rage, but the wise bring calm in the end. Proverbs 29, verse 11. A person's wisdom yields patience. It is to one's glory to overlook an offense. Proverbs 19, verse 11. A hot-tempered person stirs up conflict, but the one who is patient calms a quarrel. I don't even need to even charge my phone. Like, oh, yeah. Why does my face look so, bro? Oh, bro. You see how it's kind of. You see how my face is really light and then the top of my head is super brown? Alright, good night, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. My face is so swollen. I hate that when I wake up. Do you love me? Yeah. Do you love me? Yeah. Wow. Nope. Make sure. I'm not slime. Anyways, I look so crazy. If I look too crazy, I'm not even putting my face in the video. So, do you love me? Nope. Do you love me? No. Do you love me? Yeah. Do you love me? I don't know. Do you love me? Yeah. Do you love me? Yeah. Do you love me? Do you love me? Yeah. It's currently 8 a.m. by the way. Looking back, I feel like I was one of those freshmen who would wake up mad early and just be mad annoying. I don't know. Well, I feel like some days I'd be quiet and some days I'd be, do you love me? Yeah, like that. I need to drink some tea or something. We get a Bible verse. How we feeling? We feeling happy? We feeling anxious? I'm gonna do troubled. But the Lord is faithful and he will strengthen you and protect you from the evil one. 2 Thessalonians 3 verse 3. Every day, through and through, day and night. Hello? It's Jesus calling. In the beginning was the word. My eye will not stop twitching. I know somebody going ham on my name right now. Somebody is doing me dirty right now. Anyways, I'm done entertaining you guys.
My dog them a feelings. My dog them a feelings. Everybody up. Yeah. Give them up. Everybody up. Love you look. Yeah. Give them up. Every time I rise, we do it for the love and I do it for the life. Sweet for the love and I do it for the life.
I can put on an outfit tonight since we are leaving later. We're leaving out later today, so I can put on a nice little outfit. Take some pictures before I leave. To post. I got endless pictures to post. Endless videos, endless pictures. And have I posted them? No. Will I post this? I have no idea. The water feels so good. And I haven't got in there once. I think I need to take a dip before I leave. I should come out here at least for an hour. and then take a shower. All they've been talking about since we've been here is these lizards. That's it. Yeah, I should come out here. Put on my bathing suit.
Okay, Miss, congratulations. God bless you. God bless you. Gabby, don't worry. Yes. Thank you. You want?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you in Jamaica.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks.
Thanks. Thank you well.
You tell them it's her birthday? No, that's what I say. Mostly sit there. You know, I see girl, I say she don't want to do her job, but I never realize I use her wait.
What's the man tell them?
The plate. Yes.
The wrong before?
When we in the truck and talk, him say, this was a pretty good birthday. But whatever.
Like a